Hey, what's up? My name is Dan Peel. I'm the founder of R72 Technologies. I want to thank you for stopping by to watch this short video. I'm going to show you how to quickly start using the R72 Tech platform. So the very first thing you want to do is visit the R72 Tech site. Take a little time to go through the site. It's a good opportunity to learn more about R72 Technologies and its mission to help the individual investor. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom. We have a frequently asked questions section with tons of answers to commonly asked questions, and this will help shorten your learning curve. Once you have a chance to do that, you want to click on this blue button over here that says join us on Slack. Okay, that's going to take you to the Join the R72 Tech on Slack page. I'm going to highlight this part right here. It says email address used for work. Don't worry about that. You can either use a work email address or a personal email address. The choice is absolutely yours. Once you've done that, click the continue button. You're going to receive another email from Slack to finish creating your account. It's real simple. All you're going to do is create a username and password, and then that will get you access to the R72 Tech Inclusive Investor community. Now, I will share two best practices. One, you want to get the desktop version of Slack, and you also want to download the app. So this way, you can receive your AI insights on the go on your phone when you're not in front of your computer. You can also visit the site again if need be and just click on the sign in button, which I'm going to do now. All right. Okay. All right, so here we are. We are in the R72 Tech Inclusive Investor community.